Can't play the First Descendant because of the L10011 login failed error? No need to worry, because in this video I'll show you how you can fix this error on your PC and get back into the game. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the solutions. Before trying anything, know that this happens mainly due to server error. So check for server status. To do this, go to this link with a browser of your choice. Here you'll find updates on server status, hotfixes, and similar news. So check if the server is down. If it is, just wait until they fix the issue. Also, check if you have received any updates on Steam. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. First, click on the search icon and type CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, choose Run as Administrator, and click Yes. Now type netsh space winsock space reset and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig /flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig /release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig /renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh space int space ip space reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. After that, check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Use an optimized DNS server. To do this, open Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1111 and press Enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping for this DNS. Next, type ping 8888 and press Enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping for this DNS. After you determine which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now scroll down a bit and click on the Edit button next to DNS Server Assignment. From the top, select Manual and turn on IPv4 if it's off. In the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Now on the alternate DNS, if you're using 1111, type 1001. If you're using 8888, type 8844. Lastly, click Save. Now check if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Verify game files. To do this, open Steam on your computer. Then go to your Library tab. After that, right-click on the First Descendant and select Properties. Now click on Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then click on Yes to give permission. Now, Steam will verify the game files. Once that's done, restart your computer and the error should be gone. So folks, that's how you fix the L10011 login failed error in the First Descendant on your computer. If the video helped you solve the error, smash that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.